Welcome to Fines TV Hobby Homeschool. This is Carmina. I hope you are doing well. And I wanted to share this research that I have been doing. Like, I was trying to find a way to hack healthy snacks for us yogis, or for those of you who are concerned with what you eat or lean snacking. I'm on that, guys. I do experiment on a lot of things, guys. I needed more patience to redo some experiments which did not work for somehow, but this one I would like to share. Introducing Fines TV Hobby Homeschool.blogspot.com's Recipes, Routines, Hacks, and Finds ebook. It is a blog site of solutions, ideas that we normally encounter in regular homemaking. It is in our homes that all hobbies, ideas, all starts, right? So just starting on something, anything at home, guys. You can do anything at home. Find ways to recreate, to curate, to recycle, to upcycle. A lot of things, guys, to do at home. You learn a lot of things aside from doing physical activities, home chores, finding your hobbies to develop inspiration, motivation, your purpose in life, developing a lifestyle from routines, practices, your precepts, to establish somehow a healthy lifestyle. So guys, I learned somehow that the appropriate term for this is all these are life skills. So it's also good to pass this on to our youngsters, like the young generation, guys, isn't it? Fruits is the best way to snack. Is the best to snack on when you are looking for something to eat, for a healthier choice or option. And after, so guys, you tend to get tired of it. It gets boring, right? So I wanted to solve that problem, like finding ways to have a lean snack, because food and daily exercise coincides. It's a partner. It goes together, guys. So this is my deeper purpose as a baker. I wanted to find hacks to solve these daily challenges. Shout out to my loved ones who prepares great dim sums. I had many days that I wanted to munch on or snack on chips. So introducing, guys, this is not new anymore, guys, I know. So as a baker, as a pastry person, I would like to expound on research on some more ideas on this, like being able to enjoy or indulge in desserts that has almost the same texture of those laminated doughs, like croissant, danishes, and chips. So the lesser or the longer time you toast or bake it, it gives you a different texture and flavor as well. I was looking for something cheesy and berry flavor. These are not from scratch, but in this modern age, we kind of just want something easy, practical, sometimes even, store-bought, right? So simply this idea is toasting dim sum skins, whichever made from scratch or store-bought, you can. So I started from 350 degrees or 250 degrees, which is the toasting temperature. Further will make it darker and has a stronger flavor. But this one, I was looking for something like a baklava and Mediterranean snack, and I just put on desiccated coconut, chopped nuts, honey, or whichever syrup you may have, and then rolled it, and like a cannoli. So it means you can also toast it without filling, just plain cylinder. And then you can, after it has cooled down, take it out from the toaster, cool it completely, and then you pipe in your whipped cream, your custard, so it's cannoli like. And this one, I was craving for something like a Danish stuff, a cheesecake, so I wanted a little bit of the pie flavor, those things, Pop-Tarts, isn't it? We have those in the groceries. I was craving for that. That has too much high calories, so I wanted to, I made similarly. So you can create your shapes actually. Okay, so this one I actually burnt this one. So I never put the filling first. This one, toast this alone, the square one. You see, I put a little bit filling there on the square one. Don't just keep it bare when you toast that one, and then you feel it after it has toasted. You see, it's burnt underneath. I just covered it with the instant jello. Why the instant jello? Because it's a cheesecake flavor, because it's instantly low calorie. Thank you guys for watching again this vlog. I hope you learned something from every time that I will post. I do a live stream. It's really for you guys, just sharing, and I wanted to just promote positivity. Just start something at home.